Okay, my initial plan was try to film myself every time I wake up. Even though I'm half awake, I'm gonna just film a few minutes of video. This is me taking the Excellence Challenge by Levi. But when I woke up today, I was like half awake. I can't even carry myself out of bed. So I'm gonna try it day by day. I might miss some days, but let's do this. I'll try to make a video. I'll try to talk about my day. Let's say I'll try to talk every time I start my day, and in the long run I'll do a video of how I ended up my day. So that will be my long-term plan. Wish me luck. Wish I can upload this stuff, but also I'll be uploading in between the vlogs, previous vlogs, throwbacks and everything else. So let's do this. And yeah, I'm running late for my appointment. I need to go to this person. I did a deal with him. Yes, let's go. And I just can't help but comment. I'm shooting with the camera without the flip screen right now, so I'm reminiscing the use of my 1DX Mark II. I'm using it. I'm using an A7 III here and using a crop lens. But yeah, I can't see the highlights in myself. The crappy lighting. Try to figure it out. If I put an ND filter here, that will be awesome, right? I can see myself. Or maybe I can try. I left the ND filter. I think it's in the new bag. I don't know. Anyway, I need to go now. I'm really running late. Okay, a bit of delay. I had to get Macca's because I'm hungry. So yeah, I'm getting Macca's cheeseburger and a coffee frappe. Anyway, I need to go now. I'm really running late. Airport. You can see some planes coming up. So I'm in Yarra Valley right now, and yeah, I'm trailing all through these trees right here. Yeah. So hi guys, I'm here at Yarra Valley right now. I'm just looking for a spot to vlog, and I went to this river, but the thing is it's brown as mud, so I won't be vlogging here. Still looking for a place to vlog though. Yeah. Okay, first of all, let me talk to you about bags. I'm a sucker for bags. Every time I have a camera, I have stuff, I have my camping gears and everything, I really want to get a good bag, because the thing is, if you have a good bag, you can walk around properly. Like, if the bag looks good and it fits your back perfectly, then you won't have problems with your trip. You're gonna enjoy your trip, and then you can have a nice bag. You're gonna enjoy your photos and everything else. If you're gonna have a big crappy bag and then you're gonna be traveling and you don't like it, man, that bag sucks and you won't enjoy your trip. Believe me, it does affect it. Let's talk about bags. The thing is, I'm really addicted to bags. Like, whenever I try to travel, I want to get a good bag for myself. I want to have the best bag that I can have. I want a good looking bag, I want a sturdy bag, and I want a functional bag, of course, because the thing is, when you're traveling, you want to be comfortable and you want to be confident with your bag. If I'm traveling and I'm bringing a big crappy funny bag, then whenever I go somewhere, like go in the airport or go everywhere, I don't know where, I feel funny and I don't want to bring the bag, so it would end up me not bringing stuff, and if I don't bring stuff, I'm stressed out. Also, if the bag's too small, it's not gonna accommodate all the things that I need. If it's too big, it's gonna have a lot of spaces. I would want to fill them up, and I would end up bringing a heavy bag. So yeah, I'm really addicted to bags. That's it. But okay, over here we have two bags in front of me. Okay, I have the Lower Pro Protactic. This is one of the best bags I know. Peter McKinnon uses it. This is the Protactic 350. It's a small bag. It's just so right. And this is the Protactic 450. I used to have this before, the 350. And the thing is, I was sporting DSLRs. So whenever I stuff the DSLR here, it's going to go heavy. I went to New Zealand and traveled with this bag. It was perfect. But the thing is, I have the 5D Mark III, sorry. I had a 5D Mark III and also a 70D because I was vlogging, and I have my drone in it, my Mavic Pro, and it was heavy. It was a bit not good. I didn't like it, and the thing is, it has a laptop compartment here, which is small enough to enough to fit a 13-inch MacBook. So it was good, but the thing is, I have a 15-inch MacBook Pro, so it's not gonna fit here. What happened was, I moved to the 450. This is the 450. I bought this secondhand. It was pretty good in condition when I got it. Now it's like it's been everywhere. Like you can see all the dirt and everything else there. But yeah, this bag here has served me well. It can accommodate 2 cameras on it. It can have my Mavic Pro, has all my Canon lenses on it. And when I went to the 1DX, it fits the 1DX very good. It's a big one. This is what Peter McKinnon uses. Yeah, it's a big bag. Also fits my 15-inch MacBook, so it was perfect for me. But I'll move to mirrorless. When I moved to mirrorless, this bag's been so big. Like whenever I go to weddings, I see myself in the mirror. It's really big. I didn't like it. I wasn't comfortable. So I went online, saw this cheap sale of this bag here. So I couldn't stop myself but purchase this bag. So what's gonna happen is, even though it'll have the 13-inch MacBook case at the back, it's not gonna fit my 15-inch MacBook. I'm still gonna sell that one because it's pretty big. I don't look good on it. It's a nice bag, but it has to go. I know this is not the best lighting condition. The sun's overhead and it's glaring and it's creating shadows everywhere. But I have to film the video now because I don't have time. It's going to be a new year. I won't be uploaded. Whatever. Yeah, I need to film it here. So, yeah, this is the bag that I have before. This is the 450. So when you put it in my back, I can see it's too big. Like, yeah, if I'm shooting a wedding, this is fine. This is a good bag. You can see there. Yeah, it's good enough. But the thing is, I want to use this bag for traveling, and if I'm traveling, I'm gonna be bringing this bag here. I'm gonna be climbing mountains and everything. It's gonna look big and bulky and not cool. So I decided to get the smaller 350 bag, the 450 and the 350. So the 350, I've used it on my trip to New Zealand before. And look, it's small, it's compact, and I think it's light. It's really perfect. This was the bag I used on the intro, you know, when I was running around New Zealand. This is the bag, so it's pretty good. I like the fit, maybe because it's still new, but yeah. And look here. Its compartments are not that big. Could fit a mirrorless camera here. Can fit. I have my Mavic Air here, a tripod, some batteries. So yeah, it's really good for traveling. So yeah, I need to sell the other bag that I have. Anyway, that's it. Hope you understand why I keep on changing bags. I'm addicted to bags also. I have heaps of bags at home. I need to sell them. So if anybody of you wants to buy a bag, contact me. I'll sell you a bag. Good price. This one's up for grabs. I'm selling it cheap because it's been around. I've been battering this bag, but it's still good. Still strong and everything else. I need to go somewhere else. I want to fly my drone somewhere, but I don't think I have time. I'll catch you up later. I'm gonna go home. Okay, I'm trying to explore new places to vlog, and I've been here before. This is the reservoir. Forgot the name, motherfucker. Let's do it again. Okay, I've been searching for a new place to vlog, and yeah, I've been here before. This is what you call the Sugarloaf picnic area, or picnic area somewhere there. There's a big reservoir here, and I was thinking of flying a drone and skateboarding all the way there, but it's gonna look cool, but this is a national park, so I'm not allowed to fly a drone. That sucks, but anyway, I'm just gonna skate all the way there because I'm gonna enjoy this place. yeah, I wanna tag you along. Let's go. Yeah, the lighting's crappy today. It's 12 noon, so the sun's up there and really crappy today. Yeah, I'm thinking of flying my drone here earlier. I've been repeating it again. I really want to do it. It would have been awesome, me flying here and beside this reservoir. But I think it's not allowed because, yeah, this is a national park. Not allowed to fly drones in a national park, so sucks. Just gonna settle for this camera shot, or this shot that I have now. Oh, yeah. Okay, I can see that's a lot of donuts and burnouts. Yep. I can even see tires getting ripped. Whoa, shit. Oh well. Even broken glass. Damn. Yep. That's the reservoir. Damn, it would have been cool. The drone would be flying from the side there, and I'll be skateboarding here at a higher angle. It's gonna see me go through this. What was that? Anyway. All good. All good. Okay, I'm heading back to the car now, and I'm having a hard time carrying this camera because I remembered I used to have Tel's elbow in this hand here for carrying a skateboard. Now I'm carrying this camera. Good thing it's not a 1DX, but yeah, it's kind of awkward and heavy, and my arms look awkward. Anyway, I'm hurrying to the car now because I'm disappointed here. I can't fly my drone, and I'm just drooling over the place. Just want to fly. Oh, those ducks are just saw some ducks. Anyway, yeah, need to go back to the car now. Of course, I gotta get back as a vlog life. Yeah. Okay, this is the instance we were doing nothing else, and I just want to add it to the log. We're trying to fly our drone solo and near the trees, and yeah, nearly hit the trees a lot of times. So like I hit it with a propeller for a couple of times, but oh yeah, that's it. Yep, that's it. Oh, okay. So yeah, that was a lot of fun flying the drones low and into the trees. We even tried to follow it, and yeah, there we go. Like Carl was filming and trying to guide it like a pet or something. But yeah, that's what we do. Have fun with the drone. Drone wars.
Part 2 going lower.
Okay, this instance we went lower, and yeah, there you go. It's much closer to the ground. I have to turn off the downward sensors, that way I can go low, because if it's on, it's gonna go higher than that. So yeah, here's the actual footage from the drone, and yep, compiled some footages, but yeah, enjoy. Nothing cinematic, just the drone flying off. So yeah, we're heading back. Fuck, this is so heavy. Heading back to the city right now, and I'm vlogging on a Ronin S, and I'm getting stressful. It's so heavy. You can see in my face. I'm cringing. It's backlit. You can see the crocodile. Dude.
You know, you're gonna go fish some snapper, you know? Abnikamag, yeah?
Let's do some slow-mo. Let's do some slow-mo. Hold on. Okay, yeah. These are the guys I met just recently at Port Melbourne, and yeah, they were cool. They were fishing. I'd like to learn from them, but yeah, I need to go home. Okay, yeah, there it is. Enjoy the clip, mate. We didn't have much time, but yeah, nice meeting you. What are you doing?
Oh, nothing much.
Just kicking back, you know. Same old, same old.
Same old, same old?
Yeah.
Yeah, we hope we're gonna get a.
Where are you going?
Get my good side, get my good side. Hey, I'm gonna see you on New Year's. I'm gonna see you tonight. Firecrackers?
Yeah, maybe.
Come on, buddy.
You're gonna
Hey,
sing here?
you got a lighter? I'll blow you one quickly.
Don't have lighter. Sorry.
It's on.
Too bad. Anyway,
Oh, hello.
I'm heading out now. See you later.
See you later. I put in your YouTube channel.
Thanks, guys.